So you mentioned with like mentoring, right, or finding something. Do you have any setup in your organization right now with like mentoring new employees coming in, or just going outside of your organization?
We do have a very good onboarding program
Yeah.
for not only new employees, but for folks who join the company through acquisition. We're quite acquisitive. We're getting ready to really formalize it. And I've got the HR and organizational development team here is phenomenal. And we're just starting our new fiscal year, and I presented the budget to the board of directors, and in there is a pretty good chunk of money to fund the next level organizational development. And we're starting in Andrews Leadership University and
Nice.
a number of things to be very deliberate
Yeah.
about. And it includes a mentoring program, because I think mentoring is extremely important. You and I are both attached to Women in Electronics. I think the mentoring program there is phenomenal. I don't understand why more people don't take advantage of it. Frankly, I think one of the best things about mentoring, while we're on the subject, is being a mentor, because you will learn as much or more from the person that you are mentoring as they're learning from you.
Yeah, it pushes you, right? Because you will get some awesome questions, and you're like, oh, I never saw it from that angle. Or you will get something saying, I didn't think about that. I totally agree there.
Yeah, it's like studying for a test. It creates an environment and some back pressure that kind of sharpens your focus and gets you thinking in different ways and storing information in different ways. It's a really good way to, personally, mentoring helps you personally develop yourself. So it's an awesome investment.
Yeah, it's well spending that time.
If you like Mind Innovation, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and share the show wherever you get your podcast. You can follow Sannah Vinding and Mind Innovation on Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And make sure to check out mindinnovation.com. Stay curious and keep learning. See you next time.